Every January 5th, we pause to look up. Today is National Bird Day, a day dedicated to the beauty, diversity, and vital survival of the world's 10,000 bird species. Birds are not just part of nature, they are guardians of ecological balance. They help in pollination, seed dispersal, and controlling insects. Our national bird, the Indian peacock, symbolizes grace, pride, and India's rich cultural heritage. But today, many birds are facing threats like habitat loss, pollution, climate change, and illegal trade. National Bird Day is a call to action. Protect trees, save waters, avoid plastics, and never cage birds for entertainment. Let us promise to respect, protect, and coexist with birds. Because when birds are safe, nature thrives, and so do we. Happy National Bird Day. Save birds, save nature. Thank you.